Okay, so once you have reached till this point, you have to select these four options which are associated with GCC, MinGW32 GCC for ADA for ton, then MinGW32 for G++, and then Object C. You can leave
Sir,
first
your
two and
screen is not
last.
visible.
Okay, let me check. Check if my screen is visible to you now. So you
Yes,
have
sir.
to leave first two
Yes.
and then the last one, and you keep selected the four
So do we
with
have to click
GCC.
mark for installation?
And what are the other options there?
There is only one option.
Yes, then mark for installation. Yes.
Okay.
So you will
Sir,
see this kind of
can you repeat which one to choose?
the MinGW32 GCC. जिसके साथ भी GCC लिखा है, everything you have to choose. So 9.2 is there. This for repository version 9.2. There are four applications which you have to choose. Then once you do that, click on to the installation button, and it says, I guess, install or apply the pending changes or something like that.
Sir, it's not letting me choose all of them together. Do I have to install them separately?
Yes, why not? But can you just try it out once more? It should allow you to install all together.
It's taking me on the individual GCC, sir. Let me.
You just have to click here in this checkbox. Okay, don't click on to any other pointer.
Acha, okay, let me try.
Yeah, click on this checkbox and it will say a mark for installation or something like that. And then you come to this installation button, and I don't remember what option I choose. I guess it's called update install or something like that. Can anyone just verify what is the three options that you got on this installation button?
So you get update catalog, mark all upgrades, apply changes and quit.
Yeah, apply changes is what you should select.
Okay.
Then
And
it
then
will bring you on to this page where it says scheduled action pendings. You say apply, and then you will see this kind of download package window coming up.
yeah, sir.
Sir, can you please repeat the previous step?
Yeah. So here you have to select four of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 9.2 onwards. Then go to the installation and say apply. It will pop up this window saying scheduled action plans, and you say apply here. Okay to proceed, you say apply. And this
Okay,
window
sir.
should pop up, and you should get all your exes getting downloaded from here.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so these are the exes will get automatically downloaded, and it will take some time. So I will give you this time. I will stop recording, and if you need any help, you can tell me.